Are you ready to start and grow your own business, but you're stuck trying to figure out what to start? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I will share 10 smart and beginner-friendly business ideas you can start with little to no capital. Whether you want something online, offline, side hustle, or full-time, there's something here for you. So grab a notebook, hit that like button, and let's dive in. Kick it off with something that's blowing up right now: freelancing. Whether you are skilled at writing, graphic design, social media management, or video editing, freelance services are in huge demand. The best part? You can start with just your laptop and internet connection. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it easy to land your first few gigs. Pro tip: focus on solving a specific problem, like designing Instagram posts for beauty brands or editing podcasts for coaches. You don't need to do everything. Specialize. Coming in at number 2, print on demand. Ever wanted to sell t-shirts, mugs, or hoodies without touching any inventory? With platforms like Printful or Teespring, you can upload your designs, set your price, and have them printed and shipped automatically when someone buys them. No need to be a great designer either. Use free tools like Canva or hire someone on Fiverr for cheap. Pro tip: you focus on marketing and building your brand. The platform handles the rest. Next, let's talk about the mini importation business, especially popular in Africa and Asia. You buy trending products like smartwatches, beauty tools, or kitchen gadgets in small quantities from sites like Alibaba or 1688. Then you resell them at a higher price on WhatsApp, Instagram, Gigi, or even Jumia. Low startup capital, high profit margin if you find the right niche. Pro tip: focus on solving daily problems. Products that save time or money sell fast. Business number 4, social media management. Small businesses want to be online, but many don't have the time or skill to post consistently or run ads. That's where you come in. If you know how to create content, write good captions, and schedule posts, you can easily charge between $100 to $1,000 plus per client per month. Start by managing pages for local businesses like salons, restaurants, or online boutiques, then scale from there. Next, home cleaning or laundry services. Want something more practical and offline? Try starting a home cleaning or laundry service. You can begin with just your time, cleaning supplies, and some flyers. Target busy professionals, students, or working moms. You can charge by room, by hour, or per service. And with good referrals, you'll be booked out in no time. Bonus idea: offer monthly cleaning packages or laundry pickup drop-off plans. Business idea number 6, start a YouTube channel or a podcast. Yes, just like this one. If you love talking, teaching, or entertaining, you can build an audience and monetize through ads, brand deals, or digital products. You don't need fancy gear. Start with your phone and free editing tools like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. Niche ideas: personal finance, motivation, faith, fitness, tech reviews. The list is endless. Consistency beats perfection. Now here's a unique one: drop servicing. Instead of doing the service yourself, you sell a service and outsource the work to someone else. Let's say you sell website design for $500, but you outsource the work to a freelancer for $150. You keep the profit. You act like a mini agency, focusing on marketing and client communication. Just make sure you vet your freelancers well and deliver quality. Next, online courses or ebooks. Do you have knowledge or a skill others want to learn? Create an online course or write an ebook. You can teach people how to budget, start a side hustle, learn a language, whatever you know well. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or Amazon KDP make it easy to sell your knowledge. Next, food business. Another low-cost, high-demand idea: a small food business. It could be snacks, pastries, smoothies, or homemade meals. Start from home, sell on social media, or deliver to offices and students. Focus on hygiene, branding, and delivery time. Word of mouth can grow your food hustle into a full business. Finally, if you're tech-savvy, launch a digital marketing agency. Offer services like Facebook ads, Google SEO, or email marketing. Most small businesses are desperate for leads, but don't know how to run campaigns. Start with one service, learn deeply, and offer real value. Build case studies and grow your reputation. You have it: 10 beginner-friendly business ideas you can start today. You don't need to wait for perfect timing or $1 million budget. Pick one idea, start small, and stay consistent. Which of these businesses stood out to you? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more tips on how to build your business from scratch, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is now.